This is Abenteuer in Allrad, the largest RV off-road trade fair in the world. This vehicle here, made by Allrad of Germany, it's an Iveco 4x4. It's got this really funny top to it, and that is the sleeping compartment. Let's have a look at the vehicle. Now, for something like this, you're looking at around €250,000. So I'll warn that bit, get that bit out the way straight away. What this vehicle can offer as a camper van is that it has got a stack of space inside. So this is the 5.5 ton Iveco Daily, giving a stack of payload as well. Right, so let's have a quick overview first. So see how much space there is here. It's got, you normally only see that much space when England are playing football. Upstairs there is this bedroom up here, so offering 2 meter, I think it's 2 meters 10 by 160, if I remember rightly, up there, with a sort of staircase to get up there. We have got here a bathroom, which let's see if I can open it. There we go. It's got one of these composting toilets in here, so you can close the door like that. This gives you all this space with the sink, which is doubling as the kitchen sink as well. So you've got a stack of space in here. This vehicle is currently being occupied. The people have been traveling around in it now for 2 years. And don't know how to close the door. Well, I'll worry about that one later. I'll find out. And so this is electric only, and so there is a fair whack of panels on the roof, as well as a large battery supply. Now, yes, these things are built to order. They're not off the shelf. Then you could decide what battery that you actually put in it. Here, obviously, we've got a fridge, which is full. Nice to know what people are eating. And there we have a wardrobe as well, and more storage all the way around. Now, oven as well. And let's have a look down here. So you've got all of this workspace in the kitchen, which is quite amazing, but all of this space as well down the vehicle. The floor comes with a underfloor heating from Ebersprache, and it's water inside it. Now, one of the things here we've got this bench, but the bench is also that's where the table is. You can see the table's here, and the table will pop up if necessary. This is made with lightweight materials, and I have actually done videos on the past of Renault and their lightweight stuff. I did that at Dusseldorf, so if you want to see some lightweight materials, you could have a look at what they've actually done. But the thing here, though, we've got all of this space. It's an enormous amount of space actually inside the van, which is particularly interesting. Floor is made of teak, and so this one here is on a auto. And I would suspect that, you know, for this is probably around 2.5 tons of payload, or possibly even more. Although it is on a 4x4, which tends to be a bit heavier. Let's have a walk around the outside. So it's got a box there. Now this thing at the top there, that'll come up and down. Now it's meant to be an all-weather for all-weather use, so it's got 30 millimeters of insulation in there. but there are other vehicles that actually use this type of construction, but this is the first time we've actually seen this second floor with the bedroom at the top. So there you have it, an Iveco 5.5 ton off-road with a second floor, an upstairs bedroom. There's a better way of putting it. So thanks for watching, hope you found that of interest, and all the best from me in Bad Kissingen in Germany.